Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. The moment CMA Institute has announced that CMA Foundation examinations of June attempt will be conducted on July 23rd, 2021. I'm starting getting messages from our CA Foundation students and asking when they shall plan to appear for CMA Foundation examinations, since lot of them have already got registered. My dear students, it's always better to pursue both the courses, that is CA and CMA courses, simultaneously. If you are able to qualify CA, then well and good. In such a case, CMA qualification may not help you much. I'll agree with that. But what about the situation if you are unable to qualify CA? Then the qualification of CMA will help you a lot to get a good career in your life. That's why it's always better to pursue both the courses simultaneously. Similarly, remember one golden principle in CA and CMA courses. It is always better to plan to write CA and CMA examinations simultaneously. That means, let us assume you are planning to write CA foundation exams in May, then you must plan to write CMA foundation exams in June. Similarly, if you want to write CA inter exams in November, then you must plan to write CMA inter exams in December. That means, whenever you want to write your CA examinations, immediately after completion of that, plan to write your CMA examinations. Why, sir? What is the advantage? Remember, at all the stages of CMA course, 90% of the syllabus of the CMA course will get covered in CA course itself. So, with just 10% additional preparation, you can comfortably write CMA examinations also. Same will hold good for all the stages of CMA course. So, if you write CA exams in May and CMA exams immediately in June, the advantage is whatever you have prepared for CA, you will be able to remember everything, and you need not prepare much for CMA exams, since you will be able to remember 90% of the syllabus in which you have prepared for your CA exams. That's why always plan to attempt both the examinations simultaneously. This time, CA foundation examinations will get completed by June ending, but CMA foundation examination will be there on July 23rd. It's a great advantage for the students this time. You can start preparing for CMA foundation course immediately after completion of CA foundation exams. That means first you finish off your CA foundation exams by June ending and then start thinking about CMA foundation. Until then, I am not asking you to prepare for CMA foundation. Hence, you can comfortably appear for CMA foundation exams even if you start preparation after completion of CA foundation exams, because we got around 23 days of time. By attending just 50 to 60 hours of coaching, you can comfortably qualify CMA foundation in June 2021 itself. That is, I mean to say, July 2021 itself. Just 50 to 60 hours of coaching is highly enough for you. So, from our institution, generally 90% of the students who attempt CMA foundation will get qualified. Every time this is what happens. So, with that confidence, I am telling that it's easy to qualify CMA foundation even if you start preparation after completion of CA foundation exams. That's why, my dear students, first immediately put an application for CMA foundation exams. Let us assume you have applied for CMA foundation exams and for any reason you are unable to prepare well. Don't worry. So you can appear for the same exam in December attempt. There is no issue at all. This is not like your 10th or intermediate, where if you appear for multiple times, the same thing will be reflected in your certificate. But in CR, CMA courses, such kind of issues are not there. So even if you appear for multiple attempts, those things will not get reflected in your certificate. Now, what are the advantages if you write CMA foundation exams in July 2021 itself? I mean to say, along with CA Foundation exams in June 2021 itself. First one. So when you do CA and CMA courses simultaneously, you will get some synergy benefit, because whatever you are preparing for CA Foundation exams of June attempt, you will be able to remember everything and will be able to recollect everything for your CA Foundation exams to be held in July 2021. And don't forget, 90% syllabus of CMA Foundation will get covered in CA Foundation. That means by just preparing additional 10%, you can comfortably qualify CMA Foundation exams. If you write CA Foundation exams in June, then you will be able to remember everything, and with minimum preparation, you can qualify CMA Foundation in July 2021. If you write CA Foundation now and CMA Foundation in December, then what will happen is you will not be able to remember what you learnt in CA Foundation. That means for writing your CMA Foundation exams in December, you must be able to prepare everything afresh. And don't forget, by that time, you will be preparing for your CA Inter. So, hence, it is not a correct approach to write CA Foundation exams in June and CMA Foundation exams in December. And for this attempt, that is July 2021 attempt of CMA Foundation, examination will be 100% MCQ model, and it's a one-day exam, only one day. But in future, so 50% of the question paper will be descriptive and 50% of the question paper will be MCQ, and it will be a 4 days exam. Since MCQ model will be easy, it's better to write and qualify now itself. If you write CMA Foundation exams now, you will have similar benefit at CMA Inter level also. For example, if you write CA Foundation in June and CMA Foundation in July, then you will be able to appear for CA Inter in May 2022. Similarly, you will be able to appear for CMA Inter in June 2022. That means whatever you prepare for CA Inter, with the same preparation, just by preparing additional 10%, you will be able to appear for your CMA Inter in June 2022. We will also post a detailed video on how to apply for CMA Foundation examination on your own. Please don't depend on anyone. Please don't depend on even internet centers. You do it on your own. So you need to apply, you need to learn, you need to take some risk. If you are unable to qualify CA Foundation but able to qualify CMA Foundation in July 2021, then you can immediately join for CMA Inter. That means you will continue CMA and we will think about CA Inter later on. So there is another beautiful advantage. You need not wait for joining CA Inter until you qualify CA Foundation. And there is one more advantage. If you qualify CMA Inter, then you can join for CA Inter directly without qualifying CA Foundation also. That is also one shortcut to do your CA Inter. So that's why it's always better to write your CMA Foundation examinations in July 2021 itself. Remember, if you want to go for job, then any qualification is okay. CA or CMA both are okay. But if you want to start practice on your own, then CA is best. So keep this point also in mind while taking the decision. What about CMA Foundation crash batch coaching? What is this crash batch? In this crash batch, we will be teaching only those areas of CMA Foundation which don't get covered in CA Foundation. That means this crash batch is meant for the students who are pursuing CA and CMA simultaneously. In this CMA Foundation crash batch, we will not teach any topics which gets covered in CA Foundation. We will confine to teaching only those areas which are not covered in CA Foundation. So that will be around 10%. It will hardly require 50 to 60 hours for us to teach this CMA Foundation crash batch. You can purchase our CMA Foundation crash batch from our Android app, Masterminds Online Classes. Go to Play Store and install the app Masterminds Online Classes and search for CMA Foundation crash batch. You can directly start paying the amount and start watching the videos. The moment you purchase that course, our staff members will share you the materials of CMA Foundation crash batch also through WhatsApp. We'll be sharing PDF files and you need to arrange printouts of those materials on their own. So let us assume you have an iPhone or iPad, that is you are working on iOS platform. Don't worry. In such a case, you need to install an app called Class Plus. In that app, enter our organization code as MZ Gun, GUN Gun. So you will be able to access all the services just like our Android app. So if you are planning to write CA Foundation exams in November 2021 rather than June 2021, then it is better to write CMA Foundation in December 2021. So whenever you are planning to write your CA Foundation exams, simultaneously you plan to write your CMA Foundation exams also. Similarly, whenever you are going to write your CA Inter exams, simultaneously you plan to write your CMA Inter examinations also. In this particular manner, it's always better to do both the courses simultaneously. If you still have any doubts, don't worry. You can send a mail to my mail ID and I will love to guide you in this particular aspect. Are you worried about examination and getting some examination fear? Don't worry. You can send a mail to me. I will guide you. And please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a latest video, you will get notified. And please do follow our Facebook and Instagram pages, Masterminds for CA, so that you will get latest updates. All the best, my dear students.